Hey guys, just a short video to show you how to get the outer CV boot joint on an Arctic Cat 05, the old style, how to get it apart. One of my previous videos I showed you how to get the axle out of the ATV, and then to change the outer CV boot. If you got a vise, clamp this in a vise, get a punch and put it right on here and whack it off with a hammer. I don't have a vise, so I gotta go old school. Just lay her down on the bench and pound it off. Very gently as you can be. Make sure you're hitting in the right spot. That's the key. Believe it or not, I already had it off and I put it back on just to make this video. So it just shows you they're not the easiest. There she goes. Once it slides, you're good to go. And it's the same idea. It's got that, ooh, it's got the drop clip on this end too. Oh, that's a deep one. Got that drop clips, you just pound it past. That's all there is to it. Now that you got it off, these are the boots I use, and well, I've only replaced 3 in 15 years, and 2 of them were in the last 2 weeks. So these are the part number I use for this old style four-wheeler, 1950-06. On Amazon, it says it does not fit this machine. It fits pretty good if you ask me. I mean, it's snug over this end. Fits right in that groove properly. Fits on this end. Plenty snug. So I don't have any issues with this one. It's the one I used years ago when I changed one, and it's still running. So I don't have any issues with this one at all. So again, this is the old style axle, where you need some brute force to get it apart. So now we'll put this thing together. See, my last video where I did the rear inner, I was talking about a tool to do the clamps up on the CV boot. Well, I went out and got it off Amazon just to give it a try. So do what you can to get the grease in it. For sure, get as much as you can. Clean it out. If you got a parts cleaner, wash it all out and get the grease back into it all that you can, the best you can. And then just to get don't forget to put your boot on before you do anything. And just to get the axle back on, just get it lined up on the splines. I put the nut back on the end and put the nut flush with the end of the axle. I find it's a little bit better. Same idea as getting off, just get her on. One whack, got that one on. So that's how you get it back on. As far as the clamps, I'm gonna get the rest of the grease inside the boot here first. All right, we filled her up with grease here. Just squirted the rest of it on there. What you might want to do before you, just make sure your joints are still good. I'm noticing this one is a little stiff. But I just need to get this sucker back together so I can start plowing snow, because she's snowing out today. Hopefully this helps you figure out how to change the boot on an outer, on the older style ones. Thanks for watching. Why not try it?